what you need to do is get a paper of 20 centimeters times 20 centimeters. Now you get one edge of the paper and put it to the other opposite edge. And you squish it in order to let like the mark in the paper. Now you do exactly the same, but with the other edge. And obviously squish it. Now you open it and do like a square, and with that square you put this part to the other opposite side in order to make like the mark of the paper, and squish it as you can see here, and you make like a rectangular shape. Now you open it and do exactly the same but with the other part, and squish it obviously to make like the mark in the paper. Now what I'm going to show you here is get one side and put it in the line that is in the middle, and what you need to do is squish it as you can see, and you do exactly what I have just done but with this part. This will look like a window, and obviously squish it. Now what you're going to do is open like the window we have just done and put this side where we can actually see, and put it in the center of the line. This will help us like to do more marks in the paper to help us do what we are going to do before. And you will carry the same with the other part. And squish it obviously. Now what you're going to do is open it and get one side as you can see here and the other side and put it like together, which will create you like the edge of a triangle as you can see, and this will make it more easier in order to make like the figure of the fish that we're trying to do, and do exactly the same thing that you have did but with the other side, and make it a triangular base as you can see. Now you need to repeat this in the 4 edges. And with this we will achieve like a windmill or a spiral, and it should end up like this that I'm going to show you. With that, what you're going to do is get that side and put it straight. It seems like a house. And you squash it obviously. Now you get that part and also put it straight, making it seem like the shape of a boat. Now with this, what we're going to do is get the edge and put with the other edge, and the thing that we have left, put it in the back. Now we do the same, put one edge with the other edge, and the thing that we have left, put it in the back. With this, what we are going to achieve is do the tail of the fish. Now what you do here is get one edge with the other edge and put it straight as you can see here. Now more clearly we can see the edge, put it with the other edge to make like kind of the mouth of the fish, and put it straight. With this, what we have is the back of the fish. Now we turn it around. To make it look like more a fish, we draw eyes and a mouth to make it more visual appealing. And I have decided to do decorations, and I have painted this with orange, but you can do whatever color and decorations you want. What I have done this fish is based on the movie Finding Nemo. This is the final result. Bye, and hope you enjoyed it.